Okay. Hi, Sean. Good morning. We're in the apartment. What number is this, Mary?
2105.
2105 in Fish Creek Point. This is the building 2000. This is the hall, like I was made to see it was a leaking, like I wasn't here. Then somebody else show up and made that lid, which is here, but they never put it in place. So please, if you can send somebody here so they can put it in place, I will appreciate that, please. Please, they can call me, or yeah, they can call me so I can figure out the time and the day, like they can show up. Okay. Again, this is Manuel. My phone number is 403-620-0596. Okay, so these guys, they fixed the drywall, they painted, but they never put the lid in place. Okay. Thank you, Sean. Bye bye.